Hi, this is Devan Martin. I look forward to seeing you at the 2022 NGH Convention and Educational Conference live in Marlborough, Massachusetts. So good we can be together live once again. I'll be one of the presenters there. I will be presenting the Enneagram, a powerful tool for personal development. Now, this presentation is designed to give you a really good overall view of all of the Enneagram, the 9 types, as well as the 3 centers and the types that are in each of the 3 centers: body, heart, and mind. I will be offering a short test that you will take and know your own Enneagram type, as well as you can take this short test and use it in your own business or practice. You will have a basic understanding of all of the 9 types, but also you'll know the strengths and a blind spot for each of the 9 types. This presentation is designed to help you have a better understanding of yours and your clients' view of the world. And having a better understanding of all 9 types helps you to have more tolerance, more compassion, and understanding for all of the types and yourself and others. And couldn't we use a little bit more of that in the world right now? I hope to see you there. If you see me, say hello. Devan Martin. Thanks.